everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. A quick overview from yesterday. This is yesterday's video. As you can see, the 3 pipes, they're still on the left and going into the receptacle box. This didn't really update anything on this part right here. This is yesterday with all the wires coming out of it. The 2 main home run boxes, home runs 90 up out of the top. Got 2 pipes coming out of the red box, critical on the right side, pipe on the right, and then some other pipes on the normal on the left. Still yesterday's video, red receptacle right there, wire right here, and this 3rd box over here was empty already. And then we had a light switch over here that was already halfway out, and I didn't show you the junction box that was up above, which had 4 wires in it, and then this receptacle down here, which was still on, which was circuit 10, I think. So jumping into today's video, pulled out the wire between that box and this box, and then also up to this red receptacle that was here under this label. Added these temporary plugins right here, receptacles, and we tied that back into 3 of the circuits that I pulled out. Here's a 4 and 11 because the MC was too short to make it all the way back to the box, so we tied that together with some 1/2-inch flex with the 3 circuits in there. And as you can see today, there's only 1 pipe left on the right side, the critical box, and then still the 2 home run pipes coming out of the top of each, and there's only 1 pipe coming out of the normal on the left side, which is circuit 6 going to the room next door. But other than that, every single circuit has been turned off and demoed out of the room, so big progress. The receptacle with the 3 pipes right here got cut off, and the rest was still on the wall that we couldn't take out yet, so we got that one out. And then we took out a 2-pole circuit 28 and 30, that was on the ceiling, which was a 30 amp for like, I don't even know what it was for. And then that's right next to the junction boxes. And then going back into the hallway, pulled out that red receptacle, all the wire out of this 2nd box, and like I said, the 3rd box was already empty. And then scrolling up to above the door, pulled out the box that was here, which had 4 MCs, the 2 coming in, and then the 2 going out down to the light switch. So we pulled out this whole box, and then one of the other wires went, I believe, down here to the box down here on the bottom right. And then at the end of the day, had to rip out a bunch of other stuff, another receptacle down here with 3 pipes, and then one of those pipes went over to the clock. So I went ahead and cut all these up top. One of them had a data, actually, yeah, there was 3 pipes in the receptacle, I believe, and then 1 for the data. So I pulled the wire up out of the data, and then took out the clock box right here, and then pulled out the wire in the receptacle, cut all those pipes off. Now I think they're going to put a more permanent door in there or something like that. And then pulled the wire back to this box. There's still a circuit in that box. And then these circuits were still on, but I pulled these out and removed the covers so the people doing the demo for the lockers or whatever, or the cabinets that were there, so they could pull that out. Here is the first batch of wire that we pulled out at first break. As you can see, there's like rolls and rolls of wire, because we had like 3 or 4 50-foot runs between the room. Anyways, I didn't get a second shot of all the pipe that we cut out, and basically filled up a whole garbage can the second half of the day, and then also had a second garbage can for wire, and then filled up the first garbage can with all the pipe and stuff that we cut out. But other than that, everything's been going really good. Feeling a lot more confident today. Had a really good day. The only thing that concerns me is the shared neutrals. Other than that, just turning off all of the hot circuits, and then you just kind of have to treat the neutrals, because they're all shared. Treat all the shared neutrals as if they were hot and stuff like that. But other than that, everything's going good so far. Just trying to be super safe. Really good day, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next video. As always, God bless, and see you tomorrow, or I guess Monday, maybe. All right, guys, peace.